there, my friends. Thank you for coming to read with Miss Titi. Are you ready to sing our song? Okay. Reading with Miss Titi is one of my favorite things. Learning giggles and adventures. Oh, what joy it brings. Well, hello there. If you're new to Storytime with Miss Titi, welcome. I'm glad you came. Don't forget to subscribe so that you can see all the new books that come in, okay? Like and share with someone you think will enjoy it. Well, let's get into this. This book is 1, 2, 3 P's. How many numbers or words do you think we have in this title? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 words in this title. 3 numbers, right? Well, friends, this book is written and illustrated by Keith Baker. This is the front cover of the book. And this is the what? The back. How about this? Yep, that's the spine. And that holds what? All the pages together. And on those pages, we have words. Who wrote the words? The author did. And who drew the beautiful pictures? The illustrator did, yeah. And friends, do you think that this book is a paperback book or a hardcover book? It's a paperback. That means it can bend and fold. So that means we have to be extra careful with it because we don't want to ruin our books. We always want to take care of our books so that we can read them and pass them along to someone else to read. Well, let's get inside. One, P's searching. Look, look, look. 2, P's fishing. Hook, hook, hook. 3, P's boating. Row, row, row. Four, P's planting. Grow, grow, grow. 5, P's painting. Brush, brush, brush. And if you know the numbers, say it along with me. 6, P's traveling. Rush, rush, rush. 7, P's jumping. Splash, splash, splash. What comes after 7? 8, P's racing. Dash, dash, dash. 9, P's dancing. Round, round, round. What number do you think comes after 9? That's the big 2-digit. Let's see. 10. 10 P's building. Pound, pound, pound. Look at all those little P's pounding away. What comes after 10? We have 11 to 19. Skip, skip, skip. Let's count this. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 19 P's at work. They are skip, skip, skipping. What number comes after 19? We have 20. 20 P's cutting. Snip, snip, snip. Do you know how to cut, friends? Maybe you can go practice cutting today. Wow, look at here, friends. It's the number 30. So they started counting by tens after the number 20. After the number 20 by tens is 30. 30 P's honking. Beep, beep, beep. What number is next by tens? 40. Peas napping. Sleep, sleep, sleep. What number comes after 40? 50. 50. Peas puzzling. How? Do you like to play with puzzles, friends? Sometimes I like to put puzzles together. It's been quite some time, but I know you probably have a lot of them in your classroom, maybe some of you at home. What number is next after 50 by tens? We have 60. 60 peas watching. Wow, wow, wow. Psh, 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 psh. All the fireworks. What number comes after 60? 70. Peas singing. La, 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 la. Can you sing that with me again? La, 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 la. Miss Titi loves to sing. What about you? Do you have any special talents that you like to do? What comes after 70? 80. Peas laughing. Ha, ha, ha. What comes after 80? 90 peas floating. Free, free, free. This is the number 90. And what's next after 90 by tens? We have the big 100. That has 3 digits. Yep. Peas counting. Hip, happy as can be. I was about to say hip, hip, hooray, but it's 100 peas counting. Happy as can be. 100. Well, friends, that was such a fantastic story. Oh, to my surprise, we're not done. Please count with me. Can you count with me? So, 1, 2, 3. What comes after 3? Then we have 4, 5. What's next? 6, 7. What's next? 8, 9. What's next? 10. What's next? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. What's next? 20. And then remember, they started counting by tens after 20. So what number comes after 20 by tens? 30. 40. 50. 60. 70. 80. 90. Then the big 100. Peas counting. Happy as can be. Well, friends, I'm so happy that you joined me today to count, right? Well, why don't you go and see how far you can count with family or friends? Maybe you can try writing them too. And counting by tens, maybe fives, maybe count by 15s. Well, friends, I'm so happy that you joined me again. And make sure you subscribe, like, and share with someone that you know will enjoy it. That way, if you subscribe, you see all the new books. Until next time, happy reading. Bye, friends.